Namaste guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Yoga with Sandeep. Today the day of 20, the target the 30 days of yoga. So today we will practice the basic standing yoga asana for beginner. So let's start. Okay, this your feet together. Inhale, raise your hands out and bend your knee and your hips will out. Stretch the shoulder, hold the posture for some second. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, down your hand. Okay, then catch your toes. Inhale, look up. 4, stretch the lower back, keep your legs straight. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, your head touch with your knee. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Okay, you have to open your feet and your feet here. Turn the right feet the right side. Okay, inhale, just raise your hands up. Exhale, drop your right hands near the right feet. Palms on the floor. Look at the left hand. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Okay, bend the right knee. Keep the left feet to the 45-degree angle and press the hips as you can. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, drop the right hand, the side, the right of feet, and left hand over the head. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale. Okay, the right feet in, change the side. Okay, inhale, exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, the right feet angle 45-degree and press the hips. Look the left hand. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Left hand down the left side feet. Raise the right hand over the head. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale. Okay, come in the center. Now do it again. Turn the right feet. Okay, the left feet keep the 45-degree. Twist your spine. Inhale, exhale. The left hand down near the right feet. Twist your spine, your shoulder stretch. Rest the right hand up. Look your feet. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Okay. Bend the right knee again. Okay. The left hand, the left elbow touch with the right knee. Hold the posture and right hands over the head. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale. Change the side. Turn the left feet. Inhale, exhale. Drop your right hand, the side of the left feet, left hand up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Okay, bend the left knee, press hips down. Exhale. Three, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, your feet little close. The hands, the back, the side of your love handle. Inhale, stretch the lower back. Exhale, the forward down as you can. 4, 3, 2, 1. Interlock your hand and stretch your hand shoulder. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, hands forward down. Hands your forward down and have to press your shoulder and try to head forward down, look back. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hands under your body and hold the posture. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, up. Exhale. Okay, again you have to turn the right feet, turn the left feet, the heels you up, hands here. Press your hips forward down. Inhale, raise your hands up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Come in the center. Turn the left side. Turn the right feet, the heels up. Hands here. Press hips down. Inhale, raise your hands up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Hands down and your feet together. Next, the balance on the one leg. Okay, hands here, the right leg up and straight legs. 4, 3, 2, 1. The catch your toes, move in the right side and look the left side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come in the center. Exhale, drop the right legs down. Hands here. Change the left side. Take the left feet up and straight. 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch your toes. Move in the left side. Look at the right side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come in the center and drop your feet down. This is a basic standing sequence for beginner. Okay, the base of Ashtanga. So thank you so much. See you in the next day, 21. Bye bye. See you again.